Hi all, welcome back to Astro Kanu for August predictions. And before I start, as always, I would like to thank my Jyotish Gurus and my spiritual Gurus for always guiding me. I'm truly grateful. So, August 2025, I actually want to start by saying thank God this month is finally here because it's been pretty chaotic for most people. There's been a lot of confusion for many because there's been a lot of unrest happening around in the world, a lot of reshuffling happening in the global employment, or should I say, a working environment for everyone, businesses as well. Well, this is going to be like the turning point, the month that will carve the way for the coming times. So, all the chaos will begin to finally reach its peak in the first 10 days of August, or I should say, maybe first 2 weeks of August. And then suddenly things will start clearing out. A lot of you will start seeing clarity in case you have been involved in any legal conflict, court cases, waiting for permissions, waiting for compliances, waiting for some sort of approvals that have been stuck for almost 6 to 8 months or lesser time, or can be about a year. From anywhere between 6 to 8 weeks to 1 year is the time frame I'm trying to look at. So all those things are going to finally get sorted in this particular month, and that is my good news to you. For some, of course, it will not be favorable, but at least you have the solution. You know that feeling of just being stuck and just being waiting. The wait is finally over. Which also means that for some of you, the results may not be favorable. It also depends on what path you have been moving on. Because this is a very peculiar month where it's almost as though you're getting paid, not in terms of money, but in how life is treating you. You're getting paid for your karma. This is the month where you're receiving either gifts or punishments based on what kind of path you have been walking in life. So, this is a month which is bringing you the results of your own actions. So, if you've been waiting, you've been working hard, you've been sincere, well, things are going to start moving, clearing, or clarity will come in case you need to change your path in life. That clarity is also important, right? Sometimes you need to lose the direction that you're struggling with and get onto a new path, and that brings you success. So, this month, be aware, be consciously open to receiving guidance, be consciously aware to see what opportunities are coming your way. Be open to changes because this month is going to bring you exactly where you should be. The guidance will be about not where you are, but where you need to be. So follow that carefully. A month which has some peculiar planetary movements in terms of astronomy. There's Jupiter and Mars in a particular combination with each other. Of course, Mercury has been retrograde and it's going to go direct. Mars has changed signs. Venus is about to change signs, which makes this month particularly important for relationships, for endings, for businesses, for approvals. So, a lot of new stuff is about to start for many of you. The ones that have been sincerely waiting, the dharmic people that have been on the right path, who didn't get the justice. This is your month for justice. Congratulations. And those sleazy ones, the people who are the adharmic, the sly ones, the ones who take the shortcuts, who've been on the wrong side of karma, well, your time's going to be up because this month is going to present the punishments for you. So it's going to be like a month which is bringing forward a phase of justice. Now, globally, also, you will see that there'll be some very important changes that will happen in terms of trade alliances. We've already seen the tariff wars, etc. And of course, I had predicted them before they were announced. This month continues to bring in new alliances, especially alliances around trade as well as defense alliances, either trading in defense, defense equipment, or aligning together against something, or if not against, just coming together of countries to say, okay, we are together now. Those some strange political alliances coming together and literally dividing the globe or dividing the world into blocks or into gangs of countries or groups of countries. They already exist, but this month will also bring some new ones. Finally, ultimately, there's going to be a war. There's going to be a large scale war. Do you want to call it World War III? Yes, you can call it World War III. But If you call it World War III, you need to remember the war this time will be very different. It doesn't mean people are going to be on the battlefields killing each other. That will also happen. But beyond that, the warfare is going to be about technology, about data, about control with money, financial control, control with resources. That's the real war. And yes, that war is going to happen. And I am going to come out with detailed predictions. I've had this knowledge of the planets that this is something that is going to come for the last couple of years. But I've held back saying, let's just wait and watch. I don't want to give out bad news. But maybe sometimes this kind of news can help you plan better. And now that we are close to 2026, I think it's time to give the predictions. So I'm going to come with detailed predictions around AI and technology because it's going to have a very, very crucial and an important role to play in the coming years. And I'm going to release these videos really soon. You can watch them on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. So stay tuned for those. Meanwhile, coming back to August, August is going to be a foundational month that lays the stones of what will come ahead. So those important alliances between countries will form in this particular month. You will see a change in the political scenario across the globe. With the change, beginning of that change will start in this particular month. It's a very important month. In your life, signs like Leo, Aquarius, Virgo, Gemini, Sagittarius, Pisces. This month is very important for you. Also, Scorpio, Aries. When I'm mentioning a particular sign, it's for your sun sign and moon sign. If you want sun sign, moon sign predictions written by me, you can subscribe to them on email through my website or writing to me at AstroKanu, or you can download the app. But coming back to August, this is going to be a very important month for these particular signs. It will be life changing, it will be elevating. You'll suddenly have clarity, you'll suddenly have movement, you'll suddenly know where to head, and you will drop. And it's important that you should. Some of you need to drop the struggles and drop the fights that you're picking up. Maybe you need to change the direction of your life. So, this month will tell you which direction to pick. It's an important month for times to head. So, remember the suggestions that I've given you. Remain open to receiving and being observant of where you're supposed to head because this month is pushing you, it's carving the way for you, and that way is going to be the one that will make you move ahead. The ones that have been on the wrong side of things and are about to receive punishment from this month onwards, you're going to have a rough phase for the next few months. Please, it's time to correct your path. Do some inner conscious work, do some thinking and self reflection, and change your ways before it's too late. So this is all that I have for you for the month of August. I'll be back with predictions in September. Till then, take care and have a great month ahead.